Hey folks, a little busy on the radar for a time this afternoon, but now things are really quieting down pretty quickly. Some places picking up some pretty good rainfall. Lasada getting about 1.75 inches here. Their studio is almost an inch of rain right there. Far more than an inch of rain, so you can see some places getting it good. Now it's quieting down, leftover stuff over in Mexico. That's probably, for the most part, about it for tonight. Could be an isolated shower overnight, but it won't be a rainy night by any means. And satellite shows how things were really spotty. But boy, when it fired up big time, and then moved off to the northwest and moved on out. That's the good thing about this rain, is that it does move quickly, doesn't stall on top of one area. And if it stalled, as hard as it's coming down, you get a flooding rain in a hurry. And that will probably be the case the next few days. When showers pop up, they keep moving. So you get a decent amount of rain, but then it's gone. Tomorrow, probably like today, scattered showers, a couple of thunderstorms fire up on the sea breeze. They start eastern half of the valley, then move westward. And we see the same kind of thing we saw today. I think Saturday, very similar. Scattered showers, maybe a thunderstorm fires on the sea breeze and moves to the west again. Sunday is a different story. The moisture really thickens up, our tropical wave gets closer, and then you can see something anytime during the day. And while it may not be just an all-day rain, there'll be on and off scattered showers and thunder showers scattered around the valley during the course of the daytime. It could happen even at the coast anytime during the daytime. So the potential rain on Father's Day up to 50%. And after that, it goes even higher than that, because next week looks like it may end up being a pretty wet week across the valley. Big change in the pattern creating that. This system down here that we've been tracking for quite some time, even lower chance of developing now, 10%. But a disorganized tropical system sometimes can bring you a lot more rain than an organized one, because if it's organized, it brings all that moisture together and goes into one location. Disorganized, it takes its time, and it rains and it rains and it rains. And that's what the models are suggesting with this. As it moves off to the north and west, we have sea breeze showers again tomorrow. We go into Saturday, we see the sea breeze try to come to life again. But this big bulk of moisture not here yet. It looks like really the Houston-Beaumont area may see the first big surge of moisture. Houston, Victoria, Beaumont, southeast Texas on Sunday. But then this whole system gradually pushes westward, and as it does, then it brings all that moisture into South Texas Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and even into Thursday and Friday, because the whole thing just drifts westward at this point. At least that's what the models are suggesting. And if that happens, we end up pretty wet. Next half hour, we'll give you an idea just how much rain we're talking about. But it looks like things come together. The whole valley could see some beneficial rainfall, maybe even too much in some places. Temperatures upper 80s and 90s right now. The normal high is 94. We should be right about that tomorrow and Saturday. Thunderstorms come in, cool you back off, then you bounce back up. Sundays, the rain chances go up, the temperatures go down. Here's what's going on at the coast. Winds are out of the southeast to east, 10 to 15 knots, a moderate chop. UV's extreme, spotty showers and storms, although I think most of them start inland tomorrow and even again on Saturday. Sunday, perhaps a better chance at the coast. Moderate risk of rip currents there with the tides. So for tonight, isolated showers, a low of 76. East-southeasterly winds about 5 to 15. Tomorrow back up to 94 with a few showers, maybe an embedded thunderstorm. Like today, rain's pretty heavy, but it does keep moving, so you could end up with 1 to 2 inches of rain pretty quickly. And if you have that happen every day, that's when you start to see problems, and that could happen. These scattered storms are firing up each day into Sunday, and then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. At this point, it looks like there's potential for widespread rainfall, flooding rainfall, a possibility next week. Not a guarantee, but a possibility is something we're going to watch for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, even lingering into Thursday. Of course, that does cool temperatures off. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.